How to install the batteries? Attention! We suggest you install the batteries before setting the password. Carefully remove the cover from the safe. Take out the key bag and accessory bag. Check the wall safe, vent cover, and 2 auxiliary templates have no damage to ensure they are functioning properly. Install the batteries. Attention! Please prepare 2 new AAA batteries in advance. Take out the screwdriver from the accessory bag. Take out the pin from the accessory bag. Take the key from the key bag. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to unlock the safe. Find the battery compartment behind the door. Unscrew the screws on the compartment with the screwdriver. Then remove the battery cover. Place 2 AAA batteries into the battery compartment, ensuring the correct alignment of the positive and negative poles. Place the cover back on and tighten the screws with a screwdriver. Insert the pin into the hole near the battery compartment to reset the lock. Attention! The battery installation is complete. Please change the password as soon as possible.